Alright, this one corresponds to page 13 in the workbook. It asks for a half recipe, it gives you the full recipe. It's pretty much like you would think. I mean, half 2 eggs is 1 egg. To find half of 4 1/2, you just find half of 4, which is 2. And then you do half of a half. If you can't visualize half of a half, think about it like this. So everybody knows what a half looks like. So you could say a half is 2/4. You could say, obviously if you take 2/4 and reduce it, you get a half. So you could say that a half is 2/4. So if a half is 2/4, then half of that half would be 1/4. So half of a half, if you remember, of generally means times. So I probably need to go into that for most of you, but just in case. So, like we said, half of a half is 1/4. And we got half of 2, which is 1, half of a half, which is 1/4. So that would be your recipe for a half recipe. Pretty straightforward.